So do you people know to which blood group do you belong to? Let me explain you. Basically, there are 4 different types of blood groups. Blood group A, B, AB and O. Your blood group can either contain Rh positive factor or Rh negative factor. So, in total, there are 8 different blood groups. There is a simple and rapid experiment to test your blood. Let me show you. In order to carry out this experiment, take a clean glass slide and place it on a white paper and label it as blood groups A, B and O respectively. Now, using a lancet, prick the middle finger that is sterilized by an alcohol and place 3 drops of your blood on the slide at the respective positions. Now, using an antisera kit, add antisera A to the first drop, antisera B to the second drop and antisera D to the third drop of your blood. The antisera is used to determine which antigens are present on the RBCs. Using a stick, mix the blood drop with the antisera and use 3 different sticks for the 3 different drops. Now, as you can observe, the blood has coagulated at the first drop and the last drop but not at the second one. That is, the agglutination has taken place at A and at O and also proves for the presence of Rh factor. This means that the person belongs to the blood group A positive. So I hope that you people got to know how to test your blood group in an easy and simple method. Thank you for watching.